So, you're looking to bring AI into your ServiceNow world. In this guide, we'll explore your two main paths using ServiceNow's built in tools versus a more flexible integration first approach. If your IT team uses ServiceNow, you're probably all too familiar with the daily tidal wave of support tickets. It's a huge time sink that leads to burnout, but connecting AI can really break that cycle. All right, so first up, let's look at what's already under the hood. ServiceNow has its own AI tools like Now Assist, which acts as a built in sidekick, and predictive intelligence for automatically routing new tickets. And here's what that looks like in action. This dashboard shows how the native AI helps categorize tickets and spot patterns so you can get ahead of problems before they escalate. Now, there's no doubt these native tools are powerful, but here's the catch. They're really built for huge enterprises, and they come with some major limitations if your team values speed and flexibility. So, what are these roadblocks? Well, first, the setup is a massive project that can take months. And once you're in, you're often locked into the ServiceNow way with little flexibility and a price tag that's a complete mystery until the very end. Here's another big one. ServiceNow's AI really only sees what's inside ServiceNow. But let's be real, your team's knowledge is scattered everywhere in Confluence, Google Docs, and Slack, which means the AI is working with one hand tied behind its back. Okay, so what's the alternative? This is where an integration first approach comes in. Instead of being locked into one platform, you can plug a specialized AI layer right on top of ServiceNow and all your other tools. And this is where that approach really shines. A tool like eesel AI doesn't just read your ServiceNow data, it connects to everything, creating a single, unified brain that can give much more accurate and complete answers. Rolling out a new AI can feel a bit scary, right? What's great about this approach is you can test it risk-free. Simulation mode lets you see exactly how the AI would have performed on your past tickets so you can deploy with total confidence. So, what can you actually do with this? You can immediately start automating tier one tickets like password resets, intelligently triage incoming requests, and even give your agents an AI copilot to help them work faster. And when it comes to pricing, the difference is night and day. With a tool like eesel AI, you get transparent, predictable plans, which is a stark contrast to the custom, opaque contracts you'll find with native enterprise solutions. A question we get a lot is how fast can we actually get this up and running? The great thing is, with an integration first solution, you can connect to ServiceNow and start automating in just a few minutes all by yourself. So, to wrap things up, while ServiceNow's native AI is powerful, a flexible, self serve integration is almost always the fastest and most effective path forward. It lets you level up your existing setup and see a real impact in minutes, not months. So, if you're ready to stop drowning in manual tickets, it's time to see what a modern AI layer can do. Visit the eesel AI website to start a free trial and transform your ServiceNow workflows today.